This video is aimed at any teacher who would like to know a little bit more about how they can export their Smart Notebook files. What this basically means is changing the format of Smart Notebook files. Not everybody has Smart Notebook software on their computers, therefore if you share a Smart Notebook file with them, they will not be able to open it. However, if we export the Smart Notebook files, we can change the format to something else like PDF, for example, which almost everybody can open up from their computers or their phones or their tablets or something like that. This is particularly useful to do at the end of a lesson, once you've got all your board work up. You can use this to review your lesson in the morning. So when you sit down to plan your morning lesson and you're having a cup of coffee, you can skim through the PDF of the previous day's lesson and you can check what notes came up. Was there any new vocabulary that you didn't expect that you would like to review? Or you can use it to share with your students. You could always email it to them, which isn't particularly convenient, or you can share it on an LMS, a learning management software. If you're using Edmodo, for example, if you're on the pre-sessional team, then you're probably familiar with that. Or if you're using something else like Schoology, for example, these are two different ways of sharing the information with students so that they can review what happened on the board the previous day. In order to do this, from the Smart Notebook page, you select File in the top left-hand corner. Once you've clicked on that, you'll get this new drop-down menu. You just need to select Export. Simply waving the mouse over Export will open up the second menu from which you can choose PDF. You can of course experiment and choose any of the others, but I think PDF is the easiest one to share with everybody. Once you've selected PDF, you'll get this menu. Similarly to the printing, you have three different choices: thumbnails, handouts, or full page. I would recommend going with full page because why not? We're not actually planning on printing it at this stage, we're just going to share it electronically, so why not use the full page? Once you've selected full page, you click on Save in the bottom right. This will take you to this menu here. Here you choose the location you would like to save it to. I'm going to be saving it to my USB. It's after saving it to the USB that I'll upload it to an LMS like Schoology or Edmodo. Then once I've typed in the file name, I can save it. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact either Adam G or Adam T. We are both very happy to help.